Obviously, that's like a male and a female. That's probably the male doing the dance. And the female, like, dude, this is so crazy. What is going on?
Right?
How did
I've never
they
seen
get up?
anything like this with spiders. No, they don't even, they look like alien bugs, dude. They don't even look like spiders, dude. What is this? It's covering it, it's like smothering it and kissing it.
It's like, hey, baby. We don't need a room.
Coming in for a hug.
We're doing a 60 now.
What did they do
No,
it?